So we flip it. You don't have to do each individual one, but let me go ahead and draw the individual ones. That's our flip. And then we shift down 3 units. And then we shift right 6 units. Nothing that I want to do. These are my options.
Just smile face.
That's just ridiculous. Sorry. I'm trying to use these tools. I'm trying to use them, but that's just out of control.
Yeah.
Why give me these colors I already have? Yellow? Why so thick, though? Can I stop it from being so thick?
It's like a highlighter.
Oh, yeah, you're right. All right, we'll highlight it. I don't know what's going on here.
So disgusting.
Was this red? What, purple has arrow on it?
I think it just has an arrow from wherever you go.
Why didn't you use the, isn't that A with the little red line underneath it? Isn't that colors?
That's text.
I was thinking the rainbow.
So you like rainbow the best? No. Smiley face. What? Flowers. There's got to be a better option than that. But anyway. Okay. So we do those 3 things, and that's what we end up with. We didn't affect the shape of the graph at all. It should have the same original shape. Sorry if it looks wider than it did before, but it's not supposed to. Okay? Right. It'd be nice if that was it, but it's not. All right, here's where it gets a bit complicated. Everything we've done so far fits under the category of rigid transformation because we didn't affect the shape of the graph. But we could affect the shape of the graph. It's called a non-rigid transformation. We can take and stretch the graph or shrink the graph, both vertically and horizontally. Is there a box for that? No? We're going to make our own box. There's no box? No box. All right, we're going to make our own box. All right, so we're going to distort the graph vertically. They don't do the horizontal? That's it? They don't do the horizontal? No. Imagine that. Okay. Well, that's good. All right, that's just great. Okay, good. So we're only going to do it vertically. We're going to do a vertical stretch or a vertical shrink. Since that's all our book covers. We won't do a horizontal stretch or a horizontal shrink. And then that'll be it for this section. And I can pass back the test, I don't know. A vertical stretch versus a vertical shrink. Compression. Okay. If you take a constant C, which is greater than 1, technically in absolute value, and multiply your function by C, that will accomplish a vertical stretch. So you take y equals c times f of x, where c is some number in absolute value bigger than 1. So here's -1 and here's 1. So c is some number either bigger than 1 or something smaller than a -1. If c is any of those things, that will accomplish a vertical stretch. It's hard to see, like except for like if you have a parabola or maybe an absolute value. If I have y equals x squared, and I want to stretch it,